Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. This is your extended love reading for sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, because it is not going to resonate with each of you. I don't read reversals, and this is the general extended reading. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get every single message which is important for you, Aquarius. Okay, let's start your extended love reading. I have already posted your main reading, but some of you have not checked yet. So I am going to tell you these energies in this video. Then I'm going to start clarifying these energies. So Aquarius, you are taking the leap of faith into something. You are believing, you are opening up, and you are saying that whatever is coming my way, I'm going to believe in it. I'm going to keep trust into it, that my divine has sent this, and I'm opening up. You're taking the leap of faith into someone who is from your past. Six of Cups is there. Okay, you're taking the leap of faith into them, and Six of Cups is also a card for soulmate. So you are taking the leap of faith. Before, you are holding back from them, but now you want to give them equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles is there because you are waiting your ships to come. Three of Wands is there, and justice is being served in your case. You, whatever you were waiting your ships to come, it is coming because the justice is there. So some kind of karmic justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. And you are rising as a star. Okay, you are rising as a star, and this is you are taking the energy of Emperor. Okay, you are taking the control of your life in your hands. You are taking decisions of your life. You are basically rising as an Emperor. Emperor is someone who is a authoritative figure, okay, who knows how to govern the kingdom, and you know about it, Aquarius, that what are the important decisions what you have to make for yourself, for your life. But there is something which is ending in your life, and something new beginnings are going to happen. Okay, there is death and the Sun card. So something is ending in your life so that something new can begin, Aquarius. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, and new beginnings in love, new beginnings in life is happening for you. So let me see what is ending in your life, because in the oracle also I was having the death card and the Emperor. Okay, the Chariot was there. You can have a look on that reading too, so that you can have a, so that you can get to know. Then there was Star, then there was the Fool too. So definitely you are going to take some kind of leap of faith, and you are moving in a forward direction. There were some conflicts around this person, around your love life with your soulmate. There were Five of Swords conflicts around you. Okay, because there is Two of Cups and Lovers. This is your soulmate for sure. There is Two of Cups and the Lovers, but you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords, Aquarius. This is you. 0333 was the recording reading time. You know the truth. This is someone who is truth seeker, truth giver, who knows the truth. And if they know, if they get to know that the other person is telling them lies, this is the other person telling them, is manipulating them, is giving them lies, cheating, and manipulation, they will cut them immediately. Because Queen of Swords is someone who is not available from, who do not rule by their heart. Okay, they do not rule by their heart. Okay, they are very practical. They see the truth, okay, in their eyes, okay, in the other person eyes, and they know the truth purely with the brains, basically. Okay, so you know the truth. It's not like you do not know the truth. You know the truth, but you are moving in a forward direction. The Chariot is there. Then there is Queen of Wands and the Devil. So I need to see that whether there are two energies or is there one energy in your life, because I'm having two energies till now. I am assuming that there are two energies. There is Queen of Wands, who is very passionate, very attractive towards you, but they're a mysterious one. Okay, because the Devil is there and there is Black Cat in it. So they are very passionate, okay, they are full of passions. They, and I need to see with whom you are moving forward, okay, but because there is Queen of Wands, so I think you are moving forward with this Queen of Wands, but the devil is attached with this Queen of Wands. I need to see why the devil is attached with this Queen of Wands. Okay, then there is King of Pentacle and the Hierophant. So there are either two energies or there is one energy I need to see. And with this King of Pentacle, either you are married or you were married. Okay, I need to see that. Okay, let's start your clarification. Then I'm going to clarify. Then I can get more clear that what it is. So let's start your reading, your clarification. What is the Death card? What is Aquarius ending? Okay, you are ending to hold back from someone. You are holding back. Four of Pentacles is there, so you are holding back from someone, Aquarius, and now you are not holding back. You are opening up. You are opening your heart chakra. You are opening yourself in with someone. Okay, before you were holding back from something. That's the ending. You are ending to be in this energy of holding back from someone, and that's good. That's good. Clarify, Emperor. What is Emperor? Please help me out to clarify what is the meaning of Emperor. Clarify, Emperor. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Cups again. King of Cups and Six of Wands. Are you getting success, Aquarius, in success recognition? Okay, this is you. The King of Cups is there. Again, Six of Cups. I'm having Queen of Swords again. So Aquarius, I need to clarify more. Please clarify. What is the meaning of Emperor? Okay, Aquarius, that's the reason. Okay, you know that there are some secrets hidden from you. The Moon card is there, but now you're getting success. This is you. Six of Wands, King of Cups. You are someone who is very emotionally available to someone, but you are getting success in getting to know what was the secrets hidden from you. The Moon card is there. There were some secrets which was hidden from you, and now you are getting success in knowing them. You know, you are someone who is very King of Cups. You are taking the energy of King of Cups. You know, you are emotionally available from the, you were emotionally available for someone. There is some secrets hidden from you, and you know that. That's why you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. Okay, let me see. What is the meaning of Sun? Please clarify. What is the meaning of Sun? That's why there is Death card. Okay. Death card and Death card. Okay, Death card. You are not ready to accept a cup from someone, Aquarius. Who was your wish fulfillment? Okay. The Sun card is there. There was someone who was your wish fulfillment, and you were not ready to accept a cup from someone who is your wish fulfillment, but you are putting an end to that situation. And that's the new beginning. Before, you were not ready to accept the cup, and that was your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is there, and you're putting an end to that. Why there is Five of Swords? Please clarify why there is Five of Swords. Clarify Five of Swords. Please help me out to clarify why there is Five of Swords. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Queen of Swords, King of Pentacles. You are having conflicts with this five. See, King of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. So Aquarius, you are having conflicts with this King of Pentacles, whom with you are married. Either you are married or you were going to marry. I need to see that. But this King of Pentacles is someone with whom you are married, whom with you are having conflicts. And there is Queen of Swords bottom of the deck, and you know that. You know the truth. You are having conflicts with this King of Pentacles. Okay. Let me clarify. Queen of Wands. Please clarify why there is Queen of Wands. Please clarify what is the meaning of Queen of Wands. What is Queen of Wands? Okay. Why there is Queen of Wands? Why there is Queen of Wands? No. Why there is Queen of Wands? Please clarify. Please clarify Queen of Wands. Why there is Queen of Wands? Sorry. So bottom of the deck I'm having Sun again. Aquarius, I need to clarify more actually. That's why I'm find it out. They put you in a third party situation. Three of Swords is there. Three of Swords is there, but the Sun card is there. There is someone who is giving you new hopes, new desires, new beginnings. The Sun card is there. Two times I'm having the Sun card. You're starting some kind of new beginning with this Queen of Wands. You are starting some kind of new beginnings. They put you in a third party situation. Three of Swords is there. They break your heart. They heartbreak, heartaches, heart losses, heart pains. Okay. Three of Swords is there. There were someone who was player kind of energy. This Queen of Wands is someone who is a player kind of energy. Okay. Knight of Wands is there. And they were putting lots of efforts in you, okay, or you were putting lots of efforts in this relationship. Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Swords is again has come, and they were spying on you basically. That's why there is Devil. Okay, Page of Swords is there. They were spying on you through WhatsApp, through any kind of social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you do. You can, they were keeping tabs on you basically. They were keeping tabs on you, Aquarius. Okay. They were player kind of energy. That's why there is Devil, and I need to clarify Devil too. But this is someone who was keeping tabs on you. They were player kind of energy. Knight of Wands is there. Okay. But now there is Sun. The new beginning is happening. Why there is Devil? Please clarify. Why there is Devil? Nope. Why there is Devil? Clarify me, Devil. Why there is Devil? They're giving you some kind of stable, solid offer, okay? They're giving you stability, but you are leaving them behind. Five of Pentacles in there. Why there is Devil? Clarify, Devil. Clarify, Devil. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having Three of Swords. They put you in a third party situation. They break your heart. Okay. This is someone from your past. Six of Cups is there. but you are guarding yourself. Your defenses are high. You are ready to fight. The star card has come again. I have not get the exact clarity for them. The devil. They were trying to give you some kind of stable solid offer, but you are leaving this person behind or situation behind. A person from your past, you're leaving them. You're moving in a forward direction and you're leaving them. Either you are leaving this person or you're leaving a condition or situation behind. They were trying to give you a stable solid offer, but you're leaving them behind. Five of Pentacles. A person from your past. Need to clarify more. Why you are leaving them? Because they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart. They were keeping tabs on you. Page of Swords is there. Please clarify me, devil. Why there is devil? Okay. There were conflicts, lots of drama around this person. Five of Wands. Please clarify, devil. Please clarify why there is devil. Now it has come. Devil, Tower and Ten of Wands. The Tower movement is happening. Something is shaking up in your life, Aquarius. There is someone around you who is toxic, who is not good for you. There is lot of dramas attached to this person. Okay, conflicts, drama is happening. Tower movements is happening in their life or in your life, and they are carrying lots of burden on their shoulders. Ten of Wands. They were trying to give you some kind of stable offer, but you are not accepting that. You're leaving that person behind or a situation condition behind. Why there is King of Pentacle? Knight of Cup. Okay. Why there is King of Pentacle? This is your divine counterpart, okay? King of Swords. King of Pentacle. Please clarify King of Pentacle. Please clarify. Okay, that's it. I need to know whether with whom you are moving forward, Aquarius. You're moving forward with King of Pentacle. You are moving forward with Queen of Pentacle. Okay. The Chariot is there. So, they were giving you some kind of love offer. They were giving you lots of love. Knight of Pentacle. Knight of Cup, sorry. Knight of Cup is there. They were loyal towards you. They are loyal one. And you were stuck in the situation, or they were feeling restricted or stuck. But now there is Chariot. You are moving forward. Let me see more. Why there is Hierophant? Why there is Hierophant? That's the Judgment. Judgment and Six of Cups. Either you are giving a judgment or the divine is taking judgment for you. There is someone from your past with whom you are married. So this is one energy, okay. There are no two energies. There is one energy. Okay. Clarify my two of cups. Clarify two of cups. Seven of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. Aquarius, there is some deception, cheating, lying, manipulation were going on, and you decided that, and you know that truth. Queen of Swords is there, and you know that truth, and you're deciding to stay single. Nine of Pentacles. You know that you are happy, abundant in your own way. Why there is Queen of Swords? Please clarify. Four of Wands. Please clarify Queen of Swords. Why there is Queen of Swords? The World card. That's why I'm telling you, you are completing some kind of karmic cycle, Aquarius. Okay. Why there is Chariot? With whom Aquarius is moving forward? Yeah, Chariot. You're coming towards the calmer waters. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Swords. Aquarius, that's why there is a completion. There is no 11. They have put all the swords in your bag. Okay, and that's why you are completing a cycle and you are coming towards the calmer waters. Please clarify Six of Cups. King of Wands. Let me see more. I need to see now more. Lovers. This is your divine counterpart. King of Wands. So that means this is you, Aquarius. Queen of Wands is you. Queen of Wands is you. There is someone who is keeping tabs on you. There was Page of Swords is there. Okay. And you know this truth. You were putting lots of efforts in this situation, in this relationship. Lots of conflicts and drama was there around you, but something is shaking up in your life. Tower is not bad at all, it is good when the divine intervenes in your situation. You were carrying lots of burdens, or the other person is carrying lots of burdens on them. There was something which was not good at all, which was toxic. They were feeling restricted, but now they are moving in a forward direction. There is one energy, that means there is only one energy for you, and that's why I told you that I need to tell you. Once I have clarified these cards, then I'm going to tell you. So Aquarius, there is one energy only in your reading today. Let me see once more. Yeah, King of Swords has come. This is your divine counterpart. Justice has been served in your case. I was taking the energy of justice only. This is your divine counterpart. There were some secrets hidden from you. There were conflicts. There were dramas, Aquarius. Either you were spying on them or they were spying on you. But you are coming towards the calmer waters. That is for sure. The World card is there. Okay. And you are moving forward with this person. You're moving forward. Let me clarify more with the Hierophant. What is Hierophant? Please clarify Hierophant. Yeah, there were third party situation involved in your situation. They were unable to make a decision. Okay, they were indecisive. Indecision was there, but now they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. There are Three of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and Knight of Swords, but now they are rushing towards you, and lots of communication is coming towards you. They were unable to make a decision. They were unable to choose between you and the other person. There were third party situation involved. Why there is Lovers? Clarify me, Lovers. See, I told you this. Three of Cups, Two of Wands, and Three of Swords again has come for you. There was third party situation involved in this situation. Either you have asked them to choose between you or someone else, or they are taking a decision. They are at the crossroads to make a decision. That's why the Devil has come. Three of Swords is there. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. They're juggling a lot. They are juggling a lot between two situations. They're unable to make a decision. They are juggling between two persons, basically. They are having third party situation, Aquarius. Your soulmate is having third party situation going on. That's why the Devil has come attached with this. Okay. Let me clarify more with this Five of Swords. Please clarify King of Pentacles. Yeah, see, Two of Cups. Now I'm clarifying it again. Queen of Wands is attached there. So this is your Queen of Wands. Two of Cups. Two of Cups and Two of Cups. They want to give you the cup. There is your soulmate, but there is some deceptions, lies, cheating going on. Okay, Aquarius. They want to give you Two of Cups. There is your soulmate. This is your soulmate, but there is some toxicity attached to with this person. And that toxicity, you have to remove it. What is not good coming? Queen of Wands is there. You know that there are player kind of energy around you. You were putting lots of efforts in this situation, but they were spying on you. And you know this truth. See. Okay. Why there is Six of Pentacle? Clarify Six of Pentacle. They're saying sorry. A small offer, a small apology, saying sorry is coming towards you. Page of Cup is there. Please clarify. Through communication. Lots of communication is coming your way. Eight of Wands. You will get to know that there are some secrets hidden from you. There are some secrets hidden from you. They were spying on you. They were keeping tabs on you. They are giving you some kind of deception, manipulation, cheating going on. Seven of Swords is there. That's why the devil has come here. And devil has come 2 times in the clarification. They want to move forward with you, but they are feeling restricted. They are unable to make a decision to get married with you or not. They are unable to make a decision. Okay. Let me clarify Six of Cups more. Clarify Six of Cups. And this is your soulmate. But you are leaving the situation or a person behind. Four of Wands. Why I am saying it? Because see, can you see? Queen of Pentacle and Five of Pentacle. You are leaving this, either this situation behind or this person behind. What is the Fool card? Please clarify Fool. Yeah, completion of the sun. Yeah, right. You know that they are keeping still exploring their options. Seven of Cups is there, bottom of the deck. You know that. Okay, they are still exploring their options. They're keeping their options open. You know that. But, and that's why there is Ten of Swords. Completion is of cycle is there. Ten of Swords, Ten of Wands, both are there. Okay, that's why the World card is there. You're completing all kind of cycles. But the Sun card has come again for you. The happiest card. You're starting some new beginnings. That's why. Okay, that now I understood. This was difficult today, Aquarius, to understood that there are two energies or there are one energy. But this is only one energy around you. Okay, with whom you are dealing with. This is your soulmate, that is sure. Okay, they want to give you Two of Cups. Okay, they want to give you Two of Cups. They want to give you emotional fulfillment, marriage and all. Okay, but they were keeping tabs on you. They were unable to decide, to make a decision. Okay, and you know that there is some secrets hidden from you. The Moon card is there. Okay, Aquarius. This was your wish fulfillment. This person was your wish fulfillment, but you were not accepting the cup from them. But now you are accepting it. Before you were holding back, okay, from this person, but now you are accepting the cup from them. You're getting success in knowing the truth, because now you know the truth. Queen of Swords is there. Now you know the truth. What was hidden from you? What was the secrets hidden from you? Now you know the truth. There were some conflicts around this person. Five of Swords. There were some conflicts around this person. But you know the truth. You know the truth that they were keeping tabs on you. They were spying online through you. They were play a kind of energy around you. You know this. Okay, that means this devil is attached with this King of Pentacles. Okay. This is the only one energy for you, not the two energies. Lots of conflicts, drama was attached, something was not good for you, the devil is there. Okay. And divine is showing you that Tower is there. So something is shaking up your life, Aquarius, by the divine. When divine intervenes in your life, intervenes in your situation, okay? And don't worry about it because you're coming towards the calmer waters by moving forward, okay? And that's good because if you keep repeating, keep thinking that this has happened, what to do, you cannot move in a forward direction, you cannot move towards the calmer waters, but you are moving forward and you're coming towards the calmer waters. Before you were holding back from them, but now you are putting an end to that situation too. Let's see what's the advice for you and close it out. I don't know, again the devil is there. Okay, so please take care of something, Aquarius. If you don't know, I'm going to tell you that there are some secrets which are hidden from you, but I can see that you already know that now. There were some secrets which was hidden from you, but after knowing that secrets, you are moving in a forward direction. Yeah, see, Six of Wands again has come, and bottom of the deck I'm having Three of Swords again. So yes, you're getting Six of Wands. You're getting success in knowing that. Six of Wands. You're getting success. Okay. That's the divine message. That's the message from the universe. Six of Wands and the moon is there. You know, you're getting success in knowing the secrets, okay? What is the advice for Aquarius? Please give me advice. What is the advice for my lovely, beautiful Aquarius all over the world? Give me the advice. Judgment. Judgment is being served in your case. What is the advice? What is the advice? What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? Give me the advice for Aquarius. Five of Swords again. You know that there is conflicts around you, Aquarius. Ace of Pentacle, Five of Pentacle, and Two of Swords again. So Aquarius, you know the truth. Judgment is served in your case. You're getting success in knowing what was the secrets hidden from you. There was something which was there which you don't know before, but you know that now. There is someone who is giving you Ace of Pentacle, okay? Stable, solid offer that I told you that there is something who was giving you some solid offer, but you're leaving that person behind. You're leaving them behind. Or you are leaving that situation behind. Because they were unable to make a decision. See. King of Wands again. Yeah, you are having some kind of conflicts with this King of Wands. Okay. Why they are unable to make a decision? Okay, King of Wands conflicts is there with and the King of Wands is the King of Pentacles. Okay, Aquarius. But this is your soulmate. Okay, this is your soulmate, your divine counterpart that I can tell you. Five of Pentacles is there. Either you are leaving this person behind or you are leaving this situation behind. Okay. So this was your advice from the divine. I need to clarify the let me clarify from this deck. Okay, why there is King of Pentacles? Please clarify me. Five of Wands, drama again. Five of Wands and Five of Wands. There is lot of drama, conflicts around this person. This King of Pentacle, where are you? Here you are. King of Pentacle, Five of Wands, King of Pentacle, Five of Swords. So lot of drama, conflicts is there around this person, Aquarius. You have to take care of yourself. Please clarify me, Queen of Wands. Clarify me, Queen of Wands. What is Queen of Wands? Wow. King of Pentacles. Now I'm clarified. King of Pentacle is Queen of Wands. That's what I told you. Before I was searching, before I was thinking that there are two energies, then I told you that no, there is no two energy, there is one energy. This Queen of Wands is keeping tabs on you. King of Pentacle. King of Pentacle. That I need to clarify. That's why I was clarifying from this deck too. Because I was having a doubt that what it is. The Queen of Wands is who? Queen of Wands is King of Pentacles. They are keeping tabs on you. They're spying on you. They play a kind of energy. But they are putting lots of efforts, time in you. But you know the truth. You know the truth, my Aquarius. That's it. That's my Aquarius. I know, being an Aquarius, I know that we sense that thing, that there is something which is hidden from us, and you are getting to know that. You are getting to know that there is something which is hidden from you. Clarify me, Emperor. Clarify me, Emperor. Yeah, see, Six of Wands again. Six of Wands and Six of Wands, both are there. Both time I'm having it. You're getting success in knowing that there are some secrets hidden from you. You are achieving success. You're finally getting to know that, yes, you are having to know. But bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Pentacles. Don't leave this person behind, Aquarius, because this is your divine counterpart. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Pentacles. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. What is the Death card? Please clarify me, Death card, one more time. Please clarify why there is Death card. Clarify me, Death. Clarify me, Death card. Why there is Death card? What is ending in Aquarius life? Clarify me, Death. Third party situation is ending, Aquarius. Yeah, see. Three of Pentacle and Three of Swords. Third party situation is ending, so you do not have to worry at all. Whatever third party situation was there is ending of that thing. Three of Pentacle and Three of Swords. That is ending. What is Fool? World card is there again. And bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Swords again. Ten of Swords, Ten of Swords. So you're taking the leap of faith, Aquarius. You are moving in a forward direction. The World card is there again. You're completing some kind of cycle. Whatever is happening right now in your life is just a karmic cycle which you need to complete it. Okay. You do not have to worry at all. It's just a karmic cycle. What is justice? Clarify me justice. Okay, clarify me justice. Communication is coming towards you. Eight of Wands, Eight of Wands. Yes, lots of communication is coming towards you, and you are getting your emotional fulfillment. They are offering you Ace of Cups. Emotional fulfillment is there. Emotional fulfillment is there, and that's the justice served in your case. Okay, Ace of Cups is there, but this is your divine counterpart. They are going to offer you Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment. Clarify me Chariot. You're coming towards the karma waters, but what is Chariot? Clarify me Chariot. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups, happily ever after. Okay. Chariot. Clarify me Chariot. The Star. Yes, this is you. Bottom of the deck, Ten of Pentacles, abundance of everything. This is you, Aquarius. The Star card is there. Okay, so you are getting your happily ever after. The 10 cups, happy family. You're coming towards the karma waters. You are moving in a forward direction. Okay, this is you. The Star is there. Okay, I was little worried that whether there are two energies or not, but there are not two energies. There are only one energy. And there was something third party situation going on, but that is going to end. Okay, the Death card is there. Three of Swords and the Death. And that's the new beginning for you. Okay, Aquarius. Before they were unable to make a decision, but now they are unable to make a decision. Clarify me Star. Clarify me Star. King of Cups. This is you. This is you, Aquarius. You're getting success in knowing the secrets which was hidden from you. King of Cups, Star, King of Cups and Emperor. Okay, this is you. So that was your reading, Aquarius. That was your extended love reading. I hope I help you out in some manner. And let's summarize your reading and I'll close it out. I know today reading was little bit longer, but it's okay. Okay, because I was little bit confused today that what is happening. Is there two energies around you or is there one energy? So let's summarize your reading, and now I'm going to summarize it. So there is someone from your past, Aquarius, okay, who is your divine counterpart. Okay, Six of Cups, King of Wands, Lovers, and Four of Wands. So there is someone which is there from your past, who is your soulmate, with whom either you are married or you are going to get married. Okay, Six of Cups and Six of Cups is there. This is your divine counterpart. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. So this is your divine counterpart, but there is but. Okay. There is but. Why I'm saying but? Because before that, you are taking a leap of faith in them. You are taking a leap of faith in them. Okay, you are moving in a forward direction. Okay, you are moving in a forward direction. The Chariot is there. And that's good that you are moving in a forward direction. Okay, you are coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Before that, I have to tell you this, that this King of Pentacle was keeping their options open. Okay, they were keeping tabs on you, spying on you. There were some deception, lies, cheating or going on at your back. Okay, Seven of Swords is there, and the devil is attached to this King of Pentacle, and the devil has come 2 times for them. So there is someone who is toxic. They were keeping tabs on you. There were lies, cheating, manipulation going on. Okay, Aquarius. But you are getting success. Six of Wands and Six of Wands. You're getting success. What are you getting success, Aquarius? In knowing that there are some secrets hidden from you. The Moon card. There were some secrets which was hidden from you, and now you know that. That's the success you are getting it. Okay, there were drama, lots of drama, fighting, fights, arguments were there with this person. You completing some kind of karmic cycle with this, with your soul mate. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. Why I am saying that this is your divine counterpart? There is King of Swords and Queen of Swords. There is a pair here, Aquarius. So this is your match. Okay, communication is coming towards you. Lots of communication is coming towards you. Now they want to give you equal amount of give and take. Before they were holding back from you, or you were holding back from them. Okay, you're completing some kind of cycle because there is 10 of Swords 2 times. Okay, 10 of Swords and 10 of Swords. So there is some kind of karmic cycle happening for you. The Sun card is there 2 times. So new beginning is happening for sure. Okay, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. The World card, and the World card is there 2 times. So completing a karmic cycle. You are completing some kind of karmic cycles. Okay, now there is a Three of Swords energy 2 times. Three of Swords and Three of Swords. But that is putting an end. That is going on. They were putting you in a third party situation. The Three of Swords is there. The third party situation is getting end in your life. Basically, the Death card is there. Okay, so the third party situation is going to end. The Death card is 2 times. Death card and Death card. Okay, and why I am saying that they are your divine counterpart, Aquarius, you do not have to worry at all. Whatever is happening, it's happening because there was some karmic cycle which was going on. Okay, and you know the truth. Queen of Swords is someone who is known, who knows the truth. Why I am saying that this is your divine counterpart? There is Lovers and Lovers. There is Two of Cups and Two of Cups and Four of Wands. There are all cards which are telling me that this is your divine counterpart. Okay, the Lovers, the Two of Cups and Two of Cups, and the Four of Wands. And Four of Wands. So this is your divine counterpart. But the main message for you today is that there was a third party situation involved in your life. Okay, in your relationship there were some secrets which was hidden from you. There were some deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation going on, but that is ending, Aquarius. That's the good news for you, that is ending. And even you are taking a leap of faith in your soulmate, and you're moving in a forward direction as a Chariot. Okay, and that's very good. So this was your extended love reading. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, my beautiful Aquarius. Do not have to worry. You do not have to worry at all, Aquarius. Everything is good. Whatever was happening, it was happening because there was some karmic cycle which you need to complete. Okay, and now you are completing a karmic cycle. The third party situation is getting end. Okay, so take care of yourself, my beautiful magical beings. Sending you lots of love, light, happiness to all my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Okay, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.